In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete templates in Gmail. If your list of canned responses is getting cluttered, or you've stopped using a few of them, you can remove the ones you no longer need quickly and safely. The entire process happens right in the Compose window, so there's no hunting through complicated menus. First, open your web browser on a computer and log in to Gmail. This is important. Deleting templates is a desktop-only feature. Just like creating templates, the option isn't available in the Gmail mobile app, so make sure you're on a laptop or desktop. Once you're signed in, open a new message by clicking Compose or open any email and click Reply. This brings up the Compose window, which is where all the template controls live. Look to the bottom right corner of that window for the 3 vertical dots. This is the More Options menu. Click those dots to open the menu. In the menu that appears, hover your mouse over Templates. Don't click yet, just hover. A second menu will slide out. In that sub-menu, hover over Delete Template. You'll now see a list of the templates you've saved. Click the name of the template you want to remove. Gmail will ask you to confirm your choice in a pop-up. Click Delete to confirm, and that template will be removed from your account. If you have several templates to clean up, just repeat the same steps. Open the More Options menu, hover over Templates, hover over Delete Template, choose the next name, and confirm. It only takes a few seconds per template, and it's a great way to keep your list short and relevant. A quick but crucial note: deleting a template is permanent. There isn't an undo option like there sometimes is with sent emails. If there's any chance you might need the wording later, consider copying the text of the template into a document before you delete it. And if you've decided you don't want to use templates at all anymore, you can turn the feature off entirely. In Gmail, go to Settings, then Advanced, and select Disable for Templates. This hides the template options and helps keep your Compose experience simple. That's it. Simple, fast, and tidy. By managing your templates directly from the Compose window, you'll keep only what's useful and remove the rest, making it easier to find the responses you rely on most. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.